So this is going to be a quick video of me talking about exactly how you get super chat. And what is super chat? Essentially, super chat is, have you ever been in a live stream on YouTube and you see, everyone's commenting in the chat box, normal comments, and then all of a sudden a big comment pops up that's colored and it has a big message on it and it has a value, like a dollar value to it. Those are essentially your viewers donating to you, so they get to, essentially, it's called super chat because when they donate, they get to send a message that is seen uh, in big letters to everybody in a colored bubble, so everybody sees it. That's why it's called the super chat, because their chat is super. You know what I mean? So essentially, that's another way of earning money is super chats. So if someone wants to, this is I wish I could show you guys, but I can't pull up a stream right now. But essentially, under the chat box, there's a little dollar sign. If you click that, it allows you to super chat. So essentially, how can you get super chat? First of all, you need to be monetized. You need to have monetization on your channel, so you can run ads. And then you would come to this page in your YouTube studio. You would click monetization on the left scroll thing, and then you would click supers, and you click see more. You go out and you fill out. It's super simple. You just fill it out, and then boom, you are ready to go. You have super chat, and then so the next time you run a live stream, you can enable the super chat option. So that's it. It's super simple. It's just a little way to earn some more money, and the more viewers you get over time, the higher the chances are that someone's going to donate some money to either help you out or just to get their own comment heard. That's about it. Peace.